I just gotta remember the lyrics.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah.
Hold on, you gotta put the seatbelt on, bro. This man driving crazy. Me too.
Yeah, let's go.
Hold on.
Yeah, I just want to sing in Rwanda. So,
Oh, you said what?
yeah, let's go.
Go ahead.
Yeah, imyaka irakize indi iratashe ndabona patse fi ucirishe nyagasano bigi inama imbaraga zo gukora n'izi umwuka bwa rimwe ubundi rwana gisoca nta mbara ry'amagambo rwana n'iyibikorwa tinya didubu n'intarena byawe n'intare nyoborwa n'intare dore namwe hatuna n'ubuzima sinavumwe nayo nabyirutse nibonye cya imbamutima zanjye zinkundisha abafana utari umufana nkamwifuriza amahoro bije dufite gahunda twese no gupfa nimujye inama narwo rukora ku munota ndashima imana y'igeni rigaburo omegade n'abacu baremere ndavuga ibindi mu nta mubuzima mubingira kizana ubugome nibyo biri mu manika ingwani bwo kuzibihurije kuzinibwa umugiye n'umukene gahunda no gupfa dimicura burinde ritagira udumudi hitazi mu nkuta gahunda no kumitana inkota n'inda hatana mwisi y'umwishima imbaraga n'amavuta aja hatifata ibetireho mone ho Yesu yavukiye kariyeri n'ububaje ni yose yakoraga idatinziye n'ingome sare yobora amahangara mwubahana Herodera bimenya ndagira ngo ngurabu nyamagana icyuhanga mu kabana mu nzira imbeba peace kum hasala amahoro ku mutima kakandi kabuzubu nakagaruye yewe imana yaroho fashiriza umufana buni pande cyo isozi claude nyuma what update y'umufana wa yawe ndire mu madini challenge in mind hasimo mu hasra drug irasiku nukunywa sinye niyo yara mu baturanyi agatatu ni wapi yewe imana yaroho fashiriza umufana buni pande cyo isozi claude nyuma
Yo, I thought he had one verse.
Yeah.
I thought you had one verse. You kept going.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
That's your song?
It's my own song.
You made that?
Yeah. No, I just see it in the book. I don't put it in the studio.
W's in the chat. Look at the W's. Hey, late right now.
Yeah.
We gotta get you in the studio.
Yeah. I will go there.
Before you leave, we can make a song.
Yeah.
Oh,
I will make it.
Before you leave, we make a song. We break the internet.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna just do the music. I'm gonna do like the sounds and all that. You gonna do the rapping.
Really?
All right? I
Yeah.
might sing on a verse. I'm
Yeah.
gonna come in like a Christian version of a Rod Wave.
Yeah.
Gospel version.
Yeah.
A Rod Wave.
Gospel version.
Yeah, I sing a little bit, just a little tiny bit.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, we're here. That was crazy, bro. Look at all the W's you got.
Yeah.
golly.
W's in the chat.
Yeah.
They gonna eat that up. So what were you saying? What did you say? Like, what were you saying?
Oh, what am I saying right now?
When you were rapping,
What were the
Yeah.
words?
your hip hop song,
Yeah.
what was it about?
Yeah, I'm just talking of my life.
Your life?
Yeah, how am I am and how my life would be not easy. So until now, that song talk with my life.
Really?
Yeah, all my life. Yeah,
So
how
you-
the struggle I was passed in.
So do you feel like in your life you had a lot of struggles?
Yeah, I have a lot of struggles, but
lot?
but my song talk with my life.
Do you cry?
Yeah,
Do you cry sometimes?
yeah. Sometimes they wanna cry.
How often do you cry? How much? I cry.
Many
I
time.
cry. I cry every week on Sundays.
You cry every week on Sundays.
Every week on Sundays in
Yeah.
church.
Really?
Yeah, it's like my food.
Yeah.
It feeds me. Yeah, crying with Jesus. How often do you cry?
First three, I just cry because of many problems I meet in my life, and the second cry, I cry when I just praying like Jesus, and when I look Jesus, the favor put for me, that make me cry.
Wow.
Yeah.
So why do you feel like God has given you the life that you have today?
God is amazing because I believe if God see people like this one, and there's no someone who is tall and there's someone who is short, and they see all people the same.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's deep.
Yeah.
That's deep, bro.
It's thick out here.
Pain
It is thick.
pain brings purpose.
Yeah.
You show me your pain, I can show you purpose.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Let's do it.